Hi, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get a trending dark tone for social media in your footage using Moody LUTs. So, let's get started. I'll use this footage that I shot in Rec 709 using Sony A7 III. I have used multiple footage in this sequence, and I want all of them in the same tone. The best way to do that is to create a new adjustment layer. To do that, right-click and select the option New Adjustment Layer. I already have an adjustment layer, so I will simply drag and drop it onto our timeline. Now, click and select the adjustment layer. Go to the Creative section in Lumetri Color panel. Click on the option Look. I am going to use LUT Bali by Moody presets. Now, as always, we are going to do some basic adjustments. For that, let's head over to the basic correction. First, I am going to reduce the exposure level to make it darker. Also decrease the contrast. Let's play and see how it looks. Looks quite good. One more thing I want to do is increase the saturation level a little to bring back the skin tone. And that's it. The footage looks amazing and is ready to upload on social media. I hope you like this tutorial. Let me know in the comments section if you want more videos like this. Here is the final result.